Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. These NELEUS Racerback workout tops are an absolute staple in my wardrobe. My favorite feature is the pockets on the side. I love having a place for my phone or for some keys or some cash. And I even love using them for yard work so I can have my phone and listen to my earbuds. The three colors are beautiful. Of course, the classic black, a beautiful burgundy, and a heathered gray. They're so nice and soft and comfortable, and the tank style keeps me cool. I am a size 12, and the large fits me so nicely. The length is also very nice. It gives excellent coverage, and I'm 5'10". These NELEUS Racerback tank tops are just so comfortable and functional, and I'm so happy with them. And that's my point of view.